Welcome back. If you haven't already, please log into the back end of your website by going to your domain.com/wp-admin. Once you've logged in, you should be coming to your dashboard. This is the main dashboard of your website, and I'm just going to go through a base introduction around where everything is on the website so we can find it easier in the future. So the first thing I'd like to show you is this dashboard. Now, at the beginning, you're going to notice a lot of these messages, and each of these messages are important and we should address them. And so we're going to go step by step through making sure we address them. Now, if there's anything that you have that's slightly different, just read what it says and see if there's anything you may need to do. This first one is asking us if we want to upgrade our Revolution slider. We've already paid for it. It was part of the template when we purchased it. So we're going to go ahead and say, never show me this again. SSL is activated. Don't forget to change your settings in Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools. This is going to be some supplementary stuff that I'm going to include in this course as well, which will help us to understand the traffic that's on our website. And that's what this is about. And so we're going to do that later, but we're just going to dismiss this message. Okay, click the X to dismiss it. And would I like to receive automatic updates if I activate my copy of Visual Composer? Again, we got this as part of the theme. We don't need to worry about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it. If you do want to pay for Visual Composer and activate it, then you could do that. We're not doing that. This theme recommends the following: 360 Smart View, Compare, and some other plugins that we did not install when we initially installed them. And so just for the purposes of ensuring that our template works the way it's supposed to, I'm going to go ahead and install everything. So I'm going to click Begin Installing Plugins on this. And let's go ahead and just check them off. Okay, and I'm going to, so make sure you check them all off here and click Install. Okay, so we came to the screen. It's all finished installing. Great. So we're just going to return to the dashboard here. And it probably is going to give me another message. So when I click the dashboard there, it opened me up to this Woo zone here, which is a whole bunch of things like Amazon related stuff. Now this Amazon plugin feature here is for Amazon affiliates. So this is where you would be just displaying Amazon products on your website and using the affiliate marketing commissions that you have people that use your website to find the products and go to Amazon to purchase them. We're not going to be doing that on this video because this is about selling your particular products. So I'm just going to I'm going to ignore this because it's not something that we're going to be using right now. Okay, so I'm just going to go back up to the dashboard at the top. It was just part of some of the plugins that it was asking us to do. Okay, so I'm going to dismiss this. Okay. Excellent. And we're going to dismiss this as well. It says current memory limit is 40 megabytes. That was from one of the plugins that we had. I'm just going to dismiss that, and I think that had to do with this Woo zone thing. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and dismiss all of these messages. Now on WooCommerce here, this setup here, we're actually going to skip the setup on that. And the reason why is we're just going to manually actually go through and do that together. Okay. So one thing I noticed is this W zone thing. Since we're not going to use it and we're not using this Amazon affiliates thing, I'm actually going to go ahead and dismiss this plugin, or we're going to remove this plugin. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If we go over to the plugin section here on the left hand side, so this is great. If you download a plugin and you don't like it or something's not working, we can go ahead and remove it. So I'm just going to click on that, and we're going to find that particular plugin. So here it is, this WooZone Amazon affiliates. first thing what you want to do with any plugin is you want to deactivate them if you're not going to use them. Okay, and then it'll refresh. Okay, and okay, there it is, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove it. So we're just going to go back down to where it was, and we're going to delete it. Okay, that's going to remove this. So it is something to check out in the future if you are interested in learning about Amazon affiliates. And so it looks like a really cool plugin for that. But again, something we're not doing here. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna check over to make sure everything else is good. Okay, so we're just gonna now that we're still in this plugin thing, where I'm gonna just dismiss some of these other notices that we don't need to worry about. A lot of plugins will have premium features that you can do. We don't have this plugin, this WooCommerce Amazon, so I'm just dismissing it.